But first at 5:30, we are keeping you informed, prepared, and connected about what is next in the abortion battle here in Florida. You're watching 10 Tampa Bay. I'm Courtney Robinson.
And I'm Josh Sidorowicz. Florida's 6-week abortion limit is now signed into law. But tonight, let's verify why it cannot actually take effect just yet. The bill signed by Governor DeSantis behind closed doors less than 24 hours ago follows the 15-week limit he signed into law last year. But right now, that ban is before the Florida Supreme Court after Planned Parenthood and abortion rights groups sued to overturn it. Whether this new 6-week limit can take effect ultimately depends on what the state Supreme Court decides with that 15-week ban. And there are a few different scenarios about how this could play out here. They are explicitly spelled out in the bill itself. Lou Varelli, an expert in Florida constitutional law, helped break it down for us. It all stems from the fact that the Florida Supreme Court 40 years ago decided that the privacy clause of our state constitution includes the right to an abortion. So with that in mind, the court's decision now will come down to these three choices.
Leave things as they are and protect the right through 24 weeks. Eliminate the right altogether in Florida and allow all regulation and restrictions on abortion, including outright bans. Or a third way, which would be to make a distinction between 15 weeks and other restrictions and say 15 weeks is okay, but anything more than that is not.
So we can verify that nothing will happen until at least 30 days after the Supreme Court's ruling on this, likely this summer, that either the 15-week ban is unconstitutional, meaning no bans, or they can remove the right to privacy, which would allow for outright bans. Or they could simply say 15 weeks is allowed, in which case this 6-week ban would go into effect. But we would be guaranteed to see legal challenges from groups such as Planned Parenthood, as they've done with so-called heartbeat laws in other states like South Carolina and Texas.